So, Blender. All I'm going to say is this is probably the most different program I've ever worked in. It's vaguely reminiscent of 3ds Max, but the interface is a little crazy. Probably, if anyone else is thinking about starting to use it, the thing I would do is look up all the shortcut keys, all the Control and Alt combinations, and that's far easier than trying to navigate the menu system. The menu system is just a joke. The program is written for modeling, rendering, animation. It has 100 million things you can do with it. Unfortunately, all those 100 million things end up out on the screen. All right. Anyway, to get back to jewelry sort of usage, I've been following a tutorial online and discovered quite an interesting workflow for myself, because the stuff that you make is going to be T-splines compatible. So I laid out a box, extruded it, applied a mirror surface, applied a modifier over here, which is the mirror. You can, it's not going to show up there now because I don't have enough screen room. I have a mirror modifier over X and Y, which is flipped around that way and flipped both around that way. So the Matrix guys and the Rhino guys would know that as a quad mirror. And then I've also applied a Bezier circle modifier to flow that around a circle that I had on the screen. Standard extrudes, as you would know with T-splines, just grabbed a couple of faces, extruded them downwards. So the fun part about this is have a look in the screen as I work on the original geometry. Look how fast the modifiers apply. Okay, so they apply, you can pull it in until you get a good crease, just what it is you're looking for. Then also, like if you're not too keen on that size over there, you're probably I'm gonna grab go to edge mode, deselect those guys, and let's need to grab these guys and let's pull them upwards so I can start working. My shape. And the other modifier I've got running at the same time is a smooth modifier over here, so you can step up and down your smoothing groups. So when you want to export back to T-splines, this is probably would be the mode you would use for it. So you can step up and down through them until you get a really smooth result, but this also chews memory. Look, on this machine I haven't found an issue, so I'm just have a look at what you can do. It seems to be, I'm quite enjoying playing with it. It has a weird interface, but it's interesting. So you can start with a very basic shape. You can create quite complex geometry quite easily in a couple of different views. I'm going to Control Z my way out of that because I've still got to finish this tutorial on laying out pavé. The workflow is not easy. Rhino is far easier, but I can see application for it in a few areas. Anyway, so that's my plan for the rest of the Sunday, to finish learning Blender. Cheers, Chris out.